It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. Why do dogs growl? Causes and what to do. Growling is part of normal canine communication. People often think of a dog's growl as a warning or a defensive signal. However, growling is a complex vocalization that occurs in other situations as well. It's important to understand why your dog growls, how you can prevent the behavior from escalating, and when to intervene. Depending on the situation and who is involved, dogs may growl in the following instances. 2. Possible causes of growling. Growling during play. In this case, growling does not indicate that the other dog or person should go away. It's just a part of normal play behavior. The dog usually has relaxed body language and a soft facial expression, such as a neutrally positioned tail and soft ears slightly moved to the side. Both puppies and adult dogs may growl during play. Growling during greeting. Sometimes growling occurs during face-to-face greetings with other dogs. The growling may occur before the other dog comes closer. This is a clear message that the growling dog does not want the other dog to come any closer. Other times, growling may occur after the face-to-face greeting ritual, especially if a dog takes a long time to smell the other dog's face. This means that the growling dog is uncomfortable and wants the other dog to go away. Growling when verbally reprimanded or physically corrected. Dogs growl when they are yelled at, hit, choked, sprayed with water, or given an electric shock. Verbal and physical corrections may temporarily stop bad behavior, but they do not teach the dog not to repeat it. Punishment techniques increase the dog's fear and anxiety. They may also increase the dog's aggression toward those administering the punishment. Growling when another dog or person approaches while lying in a preferred spot. When someone approaches, the dog growls, lowers his head, avoids direct eye contact, such as glancing sideways, and pins his ears back. This is a clear indication that he is worried about being moved from his comfortable spot. Growling when another dog or person approaches while he is holding a favorite toy or a high-value food. When someone approaches, the dog growls and makes direct eye contact, shows his teeth, and hunches the front half of his body over the preferred object. This means that the dog is uncomfortable with the other person's proximity and is worried that the other person or dog might take the object away from him. 3. What not to do when the dog growls. Do not yell at or hit your dog when he growls. Remember that a growl, like a bark, is your dog's vocal communication. When you tell your dog to be quiet, you are only correcting what you perceive as a problem at the time and you do not understand why your dog is growling. When you physically punish your dog for growling at another dog or a stranger, he may become more aggressive by baring his teeth, lunging at you, snapping, or even biting you. Punishment can reinforce your dog's underlying fear or anxiety, and you are contributing to the formation of negative associations. Punishment can also confirm to your dog that he should be worried or afraid when strangers approach, because you, the person he trusts the most, become unpredictable and cruel when strangers are present. This reinforces his sense that the presence of strangers is a negative experience. 4. What to do when your dog growls. When your dog growls, acknowledge his growl and redirect your dog to perform more desirable behaviors. For example, if you're out on a walk and your dog growls at someone heading toward him, interrupt the behavior with a neutral noise, such as a quick whistle, a finger snap, or a gentle pat. Then, when the stranger walks by, get your dog to focus his attention on you by asking him to perform a command, such as, look, or touch. When your dog performs the behavior, offer him a treat and praise him. By doing this, you're teaching him to focus on you when he's feeling worried or uncomfortable. If your dog has a habit of growling at strangers, carry a bag of treats with him on every outing. Every time you see a stranger heading toward you, immediately give your dog a treat before he growls. Ask him to look at you to teach him an alternative behavior. I look at my parents when I see strangers. If your dog isn't interested in high-value treats, offer lots of praise and petting or playing with his favorite toy. Find items that motivate your dog and use them as rewards. Training also reinforces the desirable behaviors you want to see in your dog and eliminates the undesirable ones. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.